this is the chevron. We have two pieces. We've got a left and a right, what I would call the wings. The angle is 52.5 degrees. Again, once I put it together. So you've got your center of the room, north, south, east, west. You want to simply place the point of the chevron on the line. To make it easier, you could also align a plank along to ensure that you're not guessing the center point so you don't wave off your line. And then simply adjoin each header joint each time. Always up and down, not left and right. So you would go up the room and you would come back down the room.